Am I audible for online?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please continue same class, same topic. When we have when we have internal and external accounting differences, so please financial accounting. The financial accounting is nothing but external accountings. Controlling is nothing but internal accounting. Yes. So this external accounting is always depending on standards. Okay, for example, international accounting standards, international financial reporting standards, generally accepted accounting principles, otherwise Indian accounting standards. Okay, we have a different type of accounting standards. If you have a knowledge on international accounting standards or else IFRS accounting standards are generally accepted accounting principle. So, and this type of principles is enough to handle the overall international accounting. So no need to learn everything, but if you have a knowledge, it will be easy. So this is external accounting point of view. But whenever you comes to here, it's work. It's a decision making of management. Is a management. So please write here flexibility. FI responsible for statutory compliance. The responsible managing and checking of enterprise operations. FI generate profit and loss statement and cash flow statements. CO generate internal reports decision making and analysis. Please write. Look here, the flow of organization structure. Operating concern. So operative concerns will be work in two categories. That is called, one is accounting based costing and cost based costing. Two types, accounting based and cost based. Okay. Whenever we have the accounting based, on that only will calculate cost based analysis. So operative concerns is nothing but overall organization activity. For example, I'm doing sales. That is called generating revenue. When we are doing sales, the first of all, you need material, you need services and manpower and market and customers and etc. things. For that, you have to pay salaries and maintenance and etc. things. Each and every revenue will have a source of expenditure. Without expenditure, you can't get any revenue. So for example, we are earning certain revenue sources, means already you have sold out, means you are invested your time or your material. So whenever you come expenses, income both. So in end of the day, the transaction value expenditure is more than your revenue, then you are in a loss. Revenue is more than of your expenditure, then you are in profit. The simply will think what is your investment and how much you are getting returns. So whenever you comes to analysis period, and don't think the profit or revenue into one time based on the product lifetime, based on the service lifetime. Simple, we have invested our company worth of 10 lakh rupees. Then in the first month we got all income is 1 lakh. After your all expenditure, you got profit is only 20,000. The 20,000 you have to adjust from your capital account. So when we get profit, after you have recovered 10 lakhs your investment, maybe after 3 years we got revenue started. In this situation, after your all expenditure, whatever you are getting, then it is called your revenue. So come back here, the flow of organization. Operative concerns will handle controlling areas. One controlling area or more than one controlling area, that depends on your requirement. So here I'm giving our controlling area. Okay, మన company పేరేంటి? T4. For example, my controlling area is T4. Otherwise, what I'm giving here, please check the screen, we'll write little. And my company code is T4. This is one type of example. But actually, I'm having T1 company code and T2 company code and T3 company code and T4 company code, T5 company code. The whole 5 company codes have to maintain by only one controlling area. Then I don't want to maintain separate and individual. Company codes are separate, but the management will be only one. In that situation, will create cross controlling company creations. In that situation, I will create here my controlling area will be Sri Krishna Infotech is head of the company. And here I'm going to write okay, so this company code T3, T4, T5 is working under one controlling area. So controlling area is giving operative concern. So one operative concern can handle more than one controlling area. One controlling area will handle more than one company code at the same time. So ila kuda manam handle cheyochu. Please take photograph, then we'll continue. What is operative concern, etc. What is operative concern? Operative concern is the highest. Highest level is nothing but important. Okay, just highest level is nothing but is the top. Highest level of profitability and sales and marketing controllings and central organization unit. Analysis. CO అంటే full form ఏంటి? Controlling profitability analysis. Okay. What is mean by COPA? The COPA is nothing but controlling profitability analysis. Used to and structure. What is mean by segment? Whenever we wants to hold all activities in single flat form, then we'll create segment. Segment is nothing but one type of category. Okay. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీ సిస్టంలో ఒక ఫోల్డర్ ఉంది. ఫోల్డర్ లో మీరు సాఫ్ట్ కాపీ మెటీరియల్స్ అన్ని ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టుకుంటారు, లేదంటే ఫ్యామిలీ ఫోటోస్ అన్ని ఒక దగ్గర పెట్టుకుంటారు. Data you are splitting along with one particular folder. So you used to say this, and this segment is total accounting, and this segment is total controlling. So the way you are going to make separate, that's called the category is called segment. Okay, so we have a lot of business segments will be. So please write second option. Several controlling areas can be assigned to an organization operative concern. In turn, one or more company codes can be assigned to each of those. What is? Am I audible for online?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Accounting. Operations of an organization within controlling. That represents closed units that are used to calculate cost, all the internal allocations, relate that belong to the same controlling area. A controlling area can incorporate Am I audible? Please write. Okay, so the next question is, what is company code? A company code is an independent organization unit accounting that contains its own set of books of accounting from which financial statements of balance sheet and profit and loss statement PLS can be followed legal purpose. Since most governments and tax authorities require registration, legal entity, a separate Okay. Okay, see? And please check the screen. When you comes to the flow of organization structure, we have a operative concern. Operative concerns actually it's indicate for profitability analysis. The whole organization is going to be depend on profitability analysis. And please remember, controlling profitability analysis is very important chapter. Because as a consultant, in end of the day, in end of the project, you have to know what is your company financial status. Okay, whenever you wants to find out the financial statement, you have to analyze your existing data. So how we will analyze? Based on the targets. That is nothing but planning. So when we have decided one planning, so we'll compare with our actual values. So based on the target planning value, if your targets are reaching out, then it will be fine. Otherwise, automatically we get the differences of our estimation of planning versus actual existing transactions. Whatever we are getting, the difference we will analyze in controlling point of view. That is called decision making and forecasting and making final output. Always the controlling will work on two different category. One is planning structure and actual structure. So operative concern will work accounting based analysis and costing based analysis. Okay. So accounting and costing based analysis is nothing but simply you can within the organization, all type of expenditures will monitor by cost based analysis and all revenue based and all financial level activities and FI point of view will do in accounting based analysis. Whenever you want to prepare profitability analysis, you need or the component of accounting based and costing based. ఈ రెండింటిని కలిపితే ఏమంటాం ఆపరేటివ్ కన్సర్న్ అంటాం. So operative concern tarvata and controlling. So what is controlling and what is the controlling of main objective and what is company code? Ante indulo unna three differences including definitions we have done. Okay. So now we'll start our controlling classes. Okay. So here then please write some description. Controlling is SAP provide supporting information reporting as well as monitoring their management decision making can be achieved okay. Okay, so today we'll discuss about basic configuration, controlling configuration is the first topic. So in this, step number one will be, am I audible for online?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir.
Maintain controlling area. Okay, and please don't write and please check the screen. Look here. Okay, so basically maintain controlling area is nothing but this screen. And don't write, and tomorrow we'll go practical session. So here we have one option, it is called assignment control. So what is mean by assignment control is nothing but if your company code having individual controlling area, then it is called controlling area, same as company code. Oka company code, oka controlling area. So problem separate గా హ్యాండిల్ అవుతుంది. ఇంకో కంపెనీ కోడ్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ ఒక కంట్రోలింగ్ ఏరియా క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటాం. అంటే మానిటరింగ్ operative concern is monitoring in individual company code and controlling area. For example, we have another option that's called cross company code cost accounting procedure. When you selected cross company code is nothing but one controlling area will handle more than one company code. Company code 1, company code 2, company code 3. Each and every company code will be separate and individual. But these three but these three company codes are working under one head company. So now I'm going to monitor one controlling area is equal of more than one company code. That's called cross company code cost accounting procedures. Okay. At the same time, here, whenever you wants to prepare controlling configurations, must we have to select existing F5 data. అంటే F5 లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్ గా కంట్రోలింగ్ చేస్తే అన్ని మాన్యువల్ గా టైప్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. ఒకవేళ F5 ఉంటే అక్కడ నుంచి మనం పికప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. టైం సేవ్ అవుతుంది. సో F5 మీకు అప్ టు డేట్ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఉందా? అవన్నీ ఎందుకు అంటారా? ఓకే. సో డూ వన్ థింగ్ అండ్ టుమారో.
ఉంది సార్.
Okay, thank you. So tomorrow we'll go for practical classes. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Any questions? Any questions?
నో సార్.
Thank you.